Today we are going to talk about abstract class and abstract method. Okay, so what is meant by abstract class and abstract method? Say example. So let's look at this example one. So this is vehicle is the abstract class. Okay, so this is the parent class. So which has the method display. So which is also the abstract. Okay, so we don't have any implementation for this method in base class. Okay, if you define this is the abstract method, then whenever we are inheriting that parent class, you should be that method should be get implemented. Okay, suppose if you are just defining it, you are not implementing it further in the derived class, so when you compile it, you will get up in the compilation error. Okay, so this abstract class may have abstract methods or non-abstract methods also. Okay, but only this case will applicable only for this abstract method, so that method should be get implemented wherever the derived class is there. Okay, so let's look at this vehicle example. So I have this parent class vehicle and method display, so I'm inheriting it in bus, car, motorcycle, all over the places. So I need to use this override keyword in order to implement that abstract methods. Okay, so in the void main, you see the vehicle is the parent class, and I'm initializing with the child class object. Okay, so using this instance, I can invoke the bus display method. Okay, so likewise I can invoke the car display method. Likewise I can invoke motorcycle display method. So this bus, car, and motorcycle text will be get printed one by one. So in this case, so this is completely a pure abstract, which currently we don't have any non-abstract methods. Okay, so currently we are supporting full abstractions. Okay, so now let's jump on to the next example. So next example, you see I have this parent class, which is the abstract class, so which I have abstract methods and non-abstract methods. How we can identify? If you look at the keyword abstract, so which means that we have abstract methods. So you see here we don't have any keyword abstract, which means that non-abstract methods. So non-abstract methods we can implement it in this class itself. Okay, but the abstract method we can only define it, but that methods can be implemented further in the derived class. Okay, so you see abs parent, it's a base class, so I'm inheriting it in the abs child class. Okay, now you see using this override keyword I can implement these methods further. Okay, so now let's look at the main. Okay, so this is abs child class, I'm creating the instance of it. So using the instance, I can invoke these methods. Okay, so even the parent class, the methods also I can invoke. So because of this inheritance, the powerful inheritance concepts, so I can invoke all these methods. Okay, so the parent class add, sub, and child class multiply and divided. So these all methods I can call. Okay, so let's jump into the next example. So you see I have this class animal, which is the abstract class. Okay, I have a property. So this is get set property. So the property name I set is as a name, which is string. So this is also defined as abstract. So this means that so whenever you are deriving this animal method further, so you should be get implemented this property as well. Okay, so now you see this is the dog class, so I'm inheriting it this base class. Using this override keyword I am implementing it further. Okay, so I am setting this get set property values here. So we will return that name. Set we are setting them some values to the name property. Okay, so let's look at main. See, so this is the child class I have, so I am creating the instance of it. So using this instance I am setting the name Tom. So what it will do, it will call this set method. it will set the term value to this name. Okay, so this is the string. So we need to pause like this quotation. Okay, so once we set that property value, so we can access whenever you want to print it back. Okay, so this is how the abstraction is works. Okay, so when you're maintaining the large number of code base in real programming world, like there will be a good architecture. So those cases, the best practice is to create your architecture with these abstractions. Okay, then your maintainability is very easy. Suppose if you want to insert some logics further in the future, then it will be very easy. Okay, so thank you very much, guys. If you like my video, please subscribe. So I will upload more C# related videos in future. Please stay tuned. Thank you.